हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेट रिडक्शन के लिए योगा अभ्यास करेंगे। पहले सूक्ष्म व्यायाम करेंगे। नमस्कार योगा अभ्यास पहले नमस्कार मुद्रा प्रार्थना करेंगे। ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हथेली को नीचे। अब सूक्ष्म व्यायाम अभ्यास करेंगे ड्रिल वॉकिंग से। मूव योर हैंड्स, मूव योर लेग्स, लाइक लेफ्ट राइट 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 एक थम एक टू स्टॉप। Now breathing practice, hands in out breathing, palms in front of the chest. Breathe in, spread your hand sidewise, stand on your toes, expand your chest. Breathe out, palms together in front of your chest, heels down. Continue 5 times. Breathe in, spread, stand on your toes. Breathe out, palms together in front of your chest, heels down. After complete 5 times, stop. Palms down, heels down. Then ankle stretch breathing. Breathe in, stand on your toes, hands up. Breathe out, palms on your thighs, heels down. Continue repeat 5 times. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. As you completed 5 times, gently stop. Now, shoulder rotation. Palms on your shoulder. Rotate your shoulder. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. Reverse direction. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. Gently stop. Interlock your fingers behind your head. Again, breathe in. Pull your elbow back. Expand your chest. Breathe out, elbow together front. Breathe in, back. Breathe out, front. Breathe in, back. Breathe out, front. Breathe in, center. Normal breath. Now, vertical movement, elbow. Breathe in, right elbow, vertical movement. Breathe out, center. Breathe in, left elbow, vertical movement. Breathe out, center. Breathe in, right vertical. Breathe out, center. Breathe in, left vertical. Breathe out, center. Breathe in, right vertical. Breathe out, center. Breathe in, left vertical. Breathe out, center. Gently stop. Palms down. Now, hand rotation one by one. Right hand first. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. 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 Reverse. 1, down. 3, 4, 5. Stop. Left hand. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. Together. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. Gently stop. Now we do side bending. Spread your leg 1.5 feet. Palm shoulder level. Breathe in deeply. Breathe out. Bend your body towards left. Look up. Look at fingers. Breathe in, center. Breathe out. Go to right. Look at left palm. Breathe in, center. Breathe out. Left. Continue repeat side to side. Each side 10 times. Right, left, right, left. Once you completed 10 times, hold one side. Go to left side. Hold normal breath. Again opposite side. Hold normal breath. Breathe in, center. palms in a rest. Close your legs a little bit. Go front, back. Breathe in, go back. Breathe out, down. Hang your hands freely. Again, breathe in, palms in a rest. Go back. Breathe out, down. Breathe in, back. Breathe out, down. Breathe in, back. Hold, normal breath. Breathe out, down. Hold, normal breath. Breathe in, center. Now, interlock your fingers behind. Again, breathe in, back. Breathe out, down. Breathe in, back. Breathe out, down. Repeat 10 times. Once completed 10 times, hold back side, normal breath. Down, hold, normal breath. Breathe in, center. Palms in a rest. Here, take deep breath. Slowly breathe out. And then hip rotation. Rotate your waist, normal breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop. Now spinal stretch. Palms in front of your chest. Twist your spine side to side. Breathe in, breathe out, right back. Breathe in, center, breathe out, left back. Continue, repeat side to side. Gradually increase the speed. Breathe out forcefully, like this. If you completed 20 times, hold one side, normal breath. Opposite side, hold, normal breath. And then breathe in, center, palms down. Now back stretch. Right feet right side. Breathe in, raise your hands overhead. Breathe out, bend your right knee. Expand your chest, look up. Breathe in, come back. Twist your feet opposite side. Again, breathe out, look up. Bend your front knee, left knee. Breathe in, come back. Breathe out, right side. Continue, repeat. Each side 10 times. Finally, hold right side 10 seconds. Look up, normal breath. Opposite side, hold 10 seconds. Hold, normal breath 10 seconds. And breathe in, come back, center. Twist your feet, parallel, and palms front. In front of your chest. Then knee stretch, up, down. Breathe in, breathe out, go down. Breathe in, up, breathe out, down. Breathe in, up, breathe out, down. Complete 15 times. Finally, hold. Normal breath. And then breathe in, come back. Go side to side. Breathe in, breathe out, right side. Bend your one knee. Stretch one leg. Again, breathe in, stretch right leg. Bend your left knee. Continue, repeat. Side to side. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Hold finally after complete 15 times. And then opposite side, hold. Breathe in, center. Palms down. Close your legs. Same practice again. Palms front. Up, down. Breathe in. Breathe out, go down. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. Hold finally. Normal breath. And then breathe in, come back, center. Palms down. Relax. These are the loading exercises. Each practice should be done by empty stomach. Early morning, empty stomach is better for practice. Or if you are interested to do practice after food, give 4 hours of gap. After that, you can practice easily. That will give you more and more result. Now, get ready for sun salutation. Or we can say Surya Namaskar. For that, adopt Namaskara Mudra in front of your chest. Repeat the mantra. Sun salutation mantra. Om पात्रेण सत्यस्य पिहितं मुखं तत्त्वं पूषणपावृणो सत्यधर्माय दृष्टयेत्। ॐ ह्रीं मित्राय नमः। Breathe in, raise your hands up, push your body back, breathe out, bend forward, breathe in, left leg back, look up, breathe out, both leg back, breathe in and out, Sasankasana, breathe in and out, Ashtanga Namaskara, breathe in, Cobra, breathe out, Mountain, breathe in and out, Sasankasana, breathe in, left leg forward, breathe out, both leg forward, breathe in, backward bending, breathe out, Namaskar Mudra. Sevan Mudra. Om Rave Namah. Breathe in, go back, breathe out, down, breathe in, right leg back, breathe out, both leg back, breathe in and out, Sasankasana, breathe in and out, Ashtanga Namaskara, breathe in, Cobra, breathe out, Mountain, breathe in and out, Sasankasana, breathe in, right leg forward, breathe out, both leg forward, breathe in, backward bending, breathe out, Namaskar Mudra. Sevan Mantra. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Again, breathe in, go back, breathe out, down, breathe in, left leg back, breathe out, both leg back, breathe in and out, Sasankasana, breathe in and out, Ashtanga Namaskara, breathe in, Cobra, breathe out, Mountain, breathe in and out, Sasankasana, breathe in, left leg forward, breathe out, both leg forward, breathe in, backward bending, breathe out, Namaskar Mudra. Fourth round. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Breathe in, go back, breathe out, down, breathe in, right leg back, breathe out, both leg back, breathe in and out, Sasankasana, breathe in and out, Ashtanga Namaskara, breathe in, Cobra, breathe out, Mountain, breathe in and out, Sasankasana, breathe in, right leg forward, breathe out, both leg forward, breathe in, backward bending, breathe out, Namaskar. Repeat this practice 12 rounds, 20 rounds, 30 rounds, 40 rounds, as much as you can do. If you are overweight, you can repeat more and more, 20, 30, 40, 50 times, no problem. If you are underweight, you can do only 3, 4 times, 5 times, that is enough for your health, for better positive health purpose. 3 to 6 rounds of practice is enough, or you can do 12 rounds, 12 mantra, 12 practice. After that, we will do some asana, balancing posture. First, Virabhadrasana, spread your leg 3 feet, right feet right side, bend your right knee, both the hands overhead, look up, hold 30 seconds, 60 seconds, then twist your feet opposite side, again breathe in, breathe out opposite side, hold 30 seconds, 60 seconds, as much as you can, then come back, close your legs, tree posture, right hip inner side of the left thigh, hands overhead, hold, look front, gaze one particular point, normal breath, breathe out, palms down, legs down, then side change, left heel inner side of the right thigh, hands overhead, hold as much as possible up to half minute, 1 minute, 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes, then slowly palms down, legs down, come back to sitting posture. Sit Shithila Dandasana, like spread your leg, hang your head freely at the right, at the left, and then Paschimottanasana stretch, legs together, both the hands overhead, breathe in, breathe out, go down, breathe in, back, center, breathe out, down, breathe in, pull your head back, breathe out, down, breathe in, back, breathe out, down, breathe in, back, without down. Repeat 15 to 20 times. Finally hold normal breath. Then breathe in. Relax 2 seconds. And spread a leg. Alternate two touching or spinal stretch. Palm shoulder level. Breathe in. Breathe out. Right from left leg. Breathe in center. Breathe out. Left from right leg. Continue. Repeat side to side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After complete 20 times, hold one side. Opposite side hold. Center. And then close your leg. Now Dandasana. Breathe in, lift your buttock up. Breathe out, down. Breathe in, up. Hold few seconds. Breathe out, down. Repeat 5 to 10 times. Then again spread your leg. Chakki chalana. Interlock your fingers in front of you. Rotate it. Make bigger circle. Breathe in back. Breathe out front. Breathe in back. Breathe out front. Repeat 20 times. Clockwise, anti-clockwise 20 times. And then stop. Bhunamana. Twist your spine side to side. Breathe in. Breathe out. Twist your body right side. Push your head towards the ground. Once right down, once left down. Breathe in center. Breathe out down. Breathe in center. Breathe out down. Continue repeat. Sitting practice over. Then go to Savasana. Lie down on your back. Legs together. Hands over head. Lift your legs one by one. Right, left. If you are comfortable, you can do fast. Or if you feel pain, you can do slow. Breathe in up, breathe out down. Breathe in up, breathe out down. Breathe in up, breathe out down. Then together. Breathe in up, breathe out down. Breathe in up, breathe out down. Breathe in up, hold. Come back to 60 degree, 30 degree, 0. Relax. Heels near the bottom. Palms over head. Upper body up. Again. Breathe. Dorsal stretch. Breathe in, breathe out. Up. Breathe in, back. Breathe out. Up. Breathe in, back. Breathe out. Up. Repeat 20 times. Finally hold. And then relax. Palm shoulder level. Markatasana. Breathe in, breathe out. Twist your knee left. Head opposite side. Breathe in center. Breathe out right. Breathe in center. Breathe out left. Breathe in center. Breathe out right. Breathe in center. Then right leg to open left. Again go side to side. Breathe in, breathe out left. Head opposite. Breathe in center. Breathe out right. Head opposite. Repeat 5 times each side. Then change the leg. Again go right, left. Repeat each side 5 times. Then stop. Relax 2 seconds. Then go to breathe posture. Satvandasana. Hold the ankle. Buttock up. Normal breath. Hold here. Slowly breathe out down. And then Sarvangasana. Lift your legs up 90 degree. Palm side of your body. Both palms are put. Buttock up. Breathe in. Now stretch your legs. Hold here. Half minute. 1 minute. And slowly drop your legs overhead. Hold again. Half minute to 1 minute. Normal breath. Slowly come back. Center. Buttock down. Legs down. 60, 30, 0. Relax. Then Jathara Parivartan Kriya. Both the legs up 90 degree and palm shoulder level. Twist your legs left, head opposite side. Breathe in center, breathe out right. Repeat 15 to 20 times each side. And then stop. Center. Relax 2 seconds. Then cycling. Hands over head. Rotate your legs. Pedaling movement clockwise 15 to 20 times. Anti-clockwise 15 to 20 times. together 10-15 times, anti-clockwise 10-15 times, finally stop. Then Navasana, both side body up, breathe out up, breathe in back, breathe out up, breathe in back. Relax 2 seconds. Savasana. And then go to Makrasana. Lie down on your stomach. Just relax few seconds. Then legs together. Move your legs from the knee, right, left, up, down, one by one. Then together 10 to 20 times. Stop. Palm side of your chest. Bhujangasana. Breathe in, upper body up, breathe out down. Breathe in up, breathe out down. Finally, hold, breathe in up, hold. Breathe out down. Again breathe in up, hold. Breathe out. Stop. Palms under the thighs, chin on the ground. Lift right leg up, take support left leg, Salvasana. Breathe out down. Breathe in left leg up, breathe out down. Repeat 10 times each side, then together. Gently stop. Finally do Dhanurasana. Hold both the ankle, breathe in, both sides body up. Breathe out down. Again breathe in up. Breathe out down. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Stop. Relax few seconds. And finally do Sirsasana. Sit in Vajrasana. Stop the side. Sit in Sasankasana. Interlock the finger, head on the ground, knees up. Slowly lift your legs up. Stretch your legs. Here you can spread your legs sideways. You can close. You can look front back. And then Vrishtikasana. Drop your legs, move your head back side, lift your head up. Come back. Sit Sasankasana. Come back sitting. Relax completely. Then we'll do Kapalbhati, active exhalation, passive inhalation. Through the air forcefully, like eyes closed, sit straight, and then do the practice. Repeat 20 stroke breath, 30 stroke breath, 60, 80, 100, then stop in between half minute. Again repeat 60 to 80 stroke breath. Again relax few seconds, like that. Repeat 3 to 5 times. After that you will do Bhastrika pranayama. Right? Breathe in, raise your hands up, breathe out down. Breathe in up, breathe out down. Breathe in up, breathe out down. Repeat 50 to 80 times, 100 times, whatever you comfortable. Then stop. Repeat 2-3 times, 50 to 100 stroke breath 3 times. After that, you can do Nadi Shuddhi. Use Nasika Mudra by right hand, index finger, middle finger, close. And then close your right nostril. Breathe in left side. Hold the breath. Breathe out right. Hold. Breathe in right. Hold. Breathe out left. Hold. Without sound, maximum amount of air inside, maximum air outside. Repeat the practice. Very smooth, slow, deep, longer breathing. After complete 1 to 2 minutes practice or 9 rounds of practice, you can stop. Then we'll do eye exercise. Open your eyes. Move your eyeballs up and down. Repeat 10 times. Then center. Look sidewise, left, right, left, right, each side 10 times. Then do diagonal movement, right up, left down. Extreme right up, extreme left down. Each side 10 times. Then stop. Extreme left up, extreme right down. Repeat 10 times. Stop. Then rotational movement, clockwise, rotate eyeballs. Bigger circle. Clockwise 10 times, anti-clockwise 10 times. Gently stop. Then look front, put your thumb front. Look at the thumb. You can move your thumb front back and then put your thumb little more up. Again move and gently stop. Thumbs down, eyes closed, rub your palms together, cover your eyes. Say a humming sound 3 times. Breathe in. Like that, repeat 3 times, then stop. This math practice can help you to reduce the weight, maintain the body weight, and any source of health issue. You have headache, you have migraine, you have anxiety, depression, you have gastric problem, you have thyroid problem, any source of complaint you can cure. Just find out 30 to 40 minutes or 1 hour, you can do 1.5 hour, whatever convenience. Repeat the practice every day, empty stomach. It's sure you can change your health. There is no doubt. There is no any virus, no coronavirus, no any cold, cough, any health issue, eyesight problem, hearing problem, nasal problem, breathing problem, hair loss, hair falling, hearing problem, or any inner organs damaging, kidney fail, liver fail, poor digestion, and any source of other knee pain, joints pain, all are virus problem, any back pain, spondylitis, shoulder pain, any source of complaint. You can repeat this practice very smooth, very easily, and slowly, day by day, gradually, you can build your capacity, you can improve the immunity power and improve the confidence. You can day by day better to better. You can change your health without single pill. So believe me, repeat the practice, regular empty stomach, either early morning or you are comfortable to afternoon before food, you can do practice, or if you are comfortable evening, you can do practice before food. So you can repeat 2 times or 3 times per day, few practice. And if you have any doubt, you can call me like 9380145096. I'll repeat again, 9380145096. Repeat this number. I'll definitely call you back and guide you step by step which practice is better for your what kind of health issue, so that you have a better confidence, you can achieve your any source of difficulty, you can cure your all problem, you can live healthier life, happier life, without any stress, without any anxiety, without any depression about your health. Thank you so much.